In this tutorial, I will be showing you guys the top things you need to do after installing WordPress on your website. I have covered a lot on this video, both the security, both the search engine optimization. I have covered a lot for you guys. So let's start. So this is the dashboard of your website. This is that immediately after you install the WordPress. This is the dashboard. This is what you'll be seeing on your screen. So let's check our website first. So this is our website. This is how it look like. So the first thing we need to do is you can go to settings, go to edit profile. Let's go and edit our profile first. You can change the color scheme of this. You can select any color that you like. You can select any color that you like. You can change that. If you scroll down, you can change the name that appear here, which is on the, you can see keep those here. You can change it to your own, you can change it to anything you like. You can change it the nickname here. If you scroll down, you will see an email address here. Please make sure that you use email that exists, so that if you have any error or you have any hacker that want to penetrate into your website, that you can easily get notified that okay, somebody has access maybe your cPanel or wherever. So you can scroll down, you can change your profile pics here, which is the profile picture here. You can see that I don't put anything now. Change this to your picture or anything, then it will appear at the top here at the edit profile here. So you can change your password also. You can put any password you like. Then after that, you can click on update profile. You can click on update profile. Okay, the next thing you have to do is to go to settings, go to general. Second step. Now if you look at this your website here, you will see that we have my blog. You can change your title, website title, and you can change your tagline. So here I'll be using keep those. Then this I'll be using on Citadel of learning. So you can see that I've changed mine. Once you change that one, you can try as much as possible to confirm your email if your email is correct. Don't forget guys, you can change your time zone. You can change if your language is not English, you can change it. Change your website language, change your time zone. You can change your formats, your date format. You can change your time format also. Then click on save. These are the first things that you need to do immediately after you install your WordPress. So I've changed my tagline and my title. Then let's go and refresh my website and let's see what will happen there. So guys, you can see here now I'm having keep those instead of my blog that is there before. And if you check at the top here, you will see keep those Citadel of learning, which is really cool. So let's move on to the third step, which is you can go to permalink. Third step is permalink. So you will be having day and name here, which is not good for SEO. It's not good for SEO. So what do you mean by day and night? If you come here and check your posts, you will see that you have December 4 2020, which is the day that I made this video, which is not good for your SEO. You can select on post name or this, but I used to use this custom structure, which is really okay. It's really good. So this is how I used to do my things. You can click on category, then post name. This is really cool for your SEO. So immediately you post something and they want to search your category first, then your anything, the headline or the title, which is the post name, will be followed, which will really help you in your search engine optimization. It will really help your site ranking. Is to go and change our category. So we can click on under the post, you click on category. The next one is category. We have to change this and edit this post. Let's edit this on category. Then we can edit it to anything that we like, maybe music or news, anything, whatever. Slogan will also be news. Then we can click on post. You can click on updates. Then let's refresh our first post, which is our website. You can see now that we are having news here. So we are having news here now. We're having news here, so which is really cool. So the next one that we have to do now is to go and delete unused theme and unused plugin. So let's click on themes. Let's click on themes. You can see that we are having different themes, so we have to remove those themes, the one that we are not using. You have to remove those themes, so we are left with one which is good. So you can come here to install any kind of plugin that you, any kind of theme that you want to use on your website. We have a bunch of themes here, different type of themes. Anyone that you like that is good for your niche, you can just install it here. But I will install this, which is Hello Elementor. I will install this, or let me install this one, which is really cool. If you are working on Elementor Theme Builder, I will advise you to use Hello Elementor. So I will go on and delete this one. So the next step, we can go to plugins. Let's go and check our plugins. What we have to do is under this plug. The next thing we have to do now is we have to remove all these plugins that we don't use. We should remove this. You can leave this Akismat. You can leave it. I think that's the way to pronounce it. You can leave this Akismat. It's very good plugin. This plugin will help you to prevent from spamming your comment. We have a lot of plugins that you can use to secure your website also. Like I said, I will explain some plugins about security. You can use iTeam. Item securities. We have item securities plugins. We have WordPress. You can use, this is item security plugin. You can install this. You can see the total number of people that have installed it. This is 1 million plus, which is really good. This theme is very good. This theme is very good. Then we have WordPress. You can download WordPress also. You can install this WordPress also. This theme is also good. It will protect a lot of spammer, a lot of hacker. They won't be able to penetrate into your website. So the next thing we have to do now, you can check for your host. It is good for, this theme is good for SEO ranking. If you want your page to be on the first page of Google, this plugin is very good for that. Need any plugins that you don't know how it functions, or you need any help, you can just drop it under the comments, and then I will make a video for you on that. So the next thing is to do is to go to settings, then go to discussion. Under that discussion, you will see comment section. You say this is the most important things to do now. Allow people to submit comments on your new post. So this is ticked. Make sure you tick this one. Anyone post a comment, anyone can post a comment on your website. So if you like, you can approve it manually, and if you like, you can leave it automatically. So I think, yeah, then you click on save change. That you need to take now is to come to your posts. Make sure that you delete all the posts that you're having here. Make sure that you trash all these posts. Make sure that you trash this. Then click on trash again. Then delete permanently. Then go to pages. Make sure that you don't have any page there. Then click on move to trash, then apply. Then you can come to trash again, click and delete permanently, then apply. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial for today. So now you can now install any theme that you like. You can now start designing your websites. Everything is good now. Your website is free, everything is okay, the security is good. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll be dropping a lot of videos for you guys. If you need any video, you want me to explain anything for you guys, please just drop the comments. Please just drop the message on the comment section and I will make the video on that. Thank you guys.